So what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wavy and welcome back to another video. Today we're down at Surrey Rolling Road because we're going to be putting the Edition 30 on the rollers to find out definitely what power this car's making. Now guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I purchased myself a draggy. I've been recording sometimes, and yeah, it's indicating that this car is not actually stock. So we're actually down at Surrey Rolling Roads, aka the Heartbreakers, to find out what power this car's got. So let's head inside, speak to Charlie, the main guy, and see what's really good under the hood. Alright guys, so Charlie's going to explain to us the graphs and how we got to the power that we got. So it's 304.2, which was the best run that we done today. Charlie, over to you.
So what you got is you got your power and torque lines for Golf Edition 30, stage 1. This is your power curve starting here, comes up nicely, very smooth, very linear, goes all the way 7,000. It's exactly what you want. Nice torque curve. Starts down here, climbs up to about 290 foot-pounds, holds it, and then only drops off gently at the top, which should make this a very drivable car. So here we've got the power graph again, and on this right axis we have the fueling, which is in AFR. So this is a TFSI engine, it's a direct injection lump, which will tolerate leaner mixtures than a port injection lump. Anything around 12 to 1 on one of these engines is absolutely fine. You can actually run them leaner. But the fueling here you can see is sort of 12.3 dropping to 12 at the top end. Absolutely fine for this engine.
So the car's running perfect then.
Absolutely mint.
So guys, there you have it, 304 brakes, so definitely stage 1 tune on this car. It doesn't come as a surprise to me. As I said, if you was following me on Instagram, you would have seen that I purchased myself a draggy, and yeah, the times wasn't reflecting a standard car. So now we know it's stage 1, the fueling, airing, everything's fine, so that's a good sign. Yeah, that saves us from having to get a stage 1 map on it. So we're gonna skip that, goes to stage 2 plus. But make sure that you like, comment, share and subscribe. It's your boy Wavy and I'm out.